What is the address of the emergency?
North 31st Avenue apartments. I was just robbed by my car at gunpoint.
What color and type of car was it?
It's a Honda, I'm sorry. It's a Kia Soul. It's gray.
Did you catch the license plate?
No, it's my car. I don't remember what the license plate is.
You're the registered owner, correct?
Yes.
Are you injured? Do you need medical attention?
No, I'm fine. I'm just a little rattled, that's all.
Okay.
I'm disabled and they got my car.
What direction did the vehicle go?
Out towards Metro Center, out towards away from the complex. They're both white. They're both young, probably teens to early 20s at the most.
Were they males?
Both males.
Okay.
One had on a gray hoodie, was wearing glasses, light brown hair.
The one that had on a gray hoodie had the glasses as well?
Yes, he was wearing glasses.
And he had light
the other
hair.
one, yes. The other one had on like a blue or a black, I think it was a dark blue hoodie. They were both probably...
Model? Is it newer model?
Is it 2015?
Here's the body-worn video from both the passenger and driver officers. The driver's video does not have audio for the first 30 seconds, including the shooting.
Go! 2480, we're going to be with it right now. Don't move.
Don't move. Don't
hey!
Move. Don't.
It's going to be at Dunlap at 29th to try to run over my partner. Damn, bro. We're going to be southbound on 29th from Dunlap. It's going to be occupied by 2 males. The driver's going to be a red hoodie Hispanic male.
Looks like a juvie, dude. God, fuck, my leg hurts.
Did he hit you?
Here's the body-worn camera from one of the responding officers, which captures the arrest of the passenger suspect.
Get on your knees now. Driver, step out of the vehicle with your hands above your head.
Wait on driver. Wait on driver.
Hold off on driver. Hold on, driver.
Hold on driver.
And officers continue to give verbal commands.
Pepper ball, deploying pepper ball, copy?
The munitions were successful, and the driver eventually exited the passenger side of the vehicle.
Crawl out of the car, you're gonna get bit!
Tell him to throw the keys. They're clear on the radio so that you can see his hands and his hands. Yeah, I see him.
Let me see your hands!
Right here. Coming out, slowly but surely.
What's his head? Crawl out to the car! Crawl out of the car! Let me see your hands! Crawl out of the car! Let me see your hands! Keep crawling! Get out of the car!
He's bleeding pretty good. Let's go! Hey, give me 2 officers with rubber gloves. I got you. No, give me another 2 officers with rubber gloves.
Let me see your right
So
hand!
we're going to have to push him when he gets...
Put your hands out to your side so we can see him! Put your hands out to your side so I can see him!
Hey, don't step in front of him. Just stay behind us and I'll let I know what I need from you guys.
Put your hands out to your side!
Put them out to your side.
Hands are empty. You can see the left hand?
Yeah,
okay.
Officers approached the vehicle and took him into custody.
Cross. Oh, you're good. Moving. I need that lethal
Rifle.
up here. Rifle, you're
Rifle,
with us.
come with.
Rifle. Rifle, you're on the car.
I can't move.
Come up here closer. Clear that car first, and then we'll deal with him. Go ahead.
Oh.
Back seat's clear. Front seat's clear. Vehicle's clear.
Let's try to move it.
Oh, my arm. Oh, it's gonna break. Oh, it's gonna break. Oh, my arm. Oh, my arm is broken. Oh, it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Oh, my arm. Oh, it's gonna break.
Anybody got a cup key? I'm
Bro,
out, buddy.
please.